we are.
Cemetery here. What is it?
Wherever. Whose grave are we going to?
Jim Morrison.
Yes. Okay, you need to sing some Doors songs. You know that it would be untrue. You know that I would be a liar if I was to say to you, girl, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. These are the most awesome. I think Janet said that.
No, it's right here. After.
I think Janet said, oh, it's okay.
Told you. Walk this way. Let's not walk that way. No, let's walk this way.
Okay, I'm right behind you. Excuse me.
Look at that French toast. I will. Take care.
That's so awesome. Sure. Or I think
Känner ni den eller?
if you wanted to, you
Ser
can
man med kameran?
go hop the fence.
No.
Who wants to hop the fence? Okay, I think I need to then.
No, not with all these other people around. We're getting in trouble.
I'm not going to get in trouble.
Hopping the fence.
I'm just going to put the flowers over there. It's okay. Okay.
Want me to record? Don't do it.